So this unit right here is actually a V part, so your girl's kind of leaving the lace fronts for a little bit. What it looks like straight, and then this is what you're getting right here when it's wavy. Y'all see that? And I can go ahead and tuck this behind my ear and everything, guys. So this install today was very, very simple, very cute. Alright y'all, welcome back to another hair video. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So this unit right here is actually a V part, so your girl's kind of leaving the lace fronts for a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys something different. Now, if you guys don't know, one of my biggest insecurities is my forehead. My hairline is all the way back here, honey, and it is pretty large. So I was kind of, hesitant about trying styles like this. You guys know everyone's kind of leaving the wigs to the side and kind of doing installs like, quick weaves, sew-ins, and leave-outs and stuff like that. So I wanted to kind of not jump on the bandwagon because I'm not confident about that, but I wanted to step into it, and I think that this unit is the perfect unit to try that with. Nadula Hair came out with a new technique on their V-part wigs, guys, so it's very, very discreet looking and it lays very flat. Now, I have super, super fine hair. After I straighten the hair out, it's very, very thin and fine. So I was a little worried about it not looking well, but guys, this came out absolutely stunning. Now this texture is like a light Yaki texture, relaxed texture, so it has a little bit of oomph to it. So all I did with this unit was go ahead and deep wave it just to add a little bit more oomph to it. I am someone that has, like, again, very thin hair, so I like to have like volume type styles. So this one came out very, very cute. Did a little razzle dazzle on my artificial baby hairs right here, and I just felt like this came out absolutely lovely, guys. I feel like there's always ways to make things look good, and I feel like I was a little bit too nervous about this, but let me know what you guys think about this one. Like, I feel like it's giving, and even with the big forehead, I lightly layered it right here so I can go ahead and do like a little curly bang, and I think that this is perfect. You can still see some of that forehead meat right here, but it's just kind of discreetly hidden behind a little bit of a bang. And obviously, look at that side part. Y'all see that? And I can go ahead and tuck this behind my ear and everything, guys. So this install today was very, very simple, very cute. Like very cute for someone that does not do V parts. I definitely did my thing with this one, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, guys. Now let's go ahead and jump into the install portion.
Nadula.